Hello, I welcome all of you to my channel. Today's grammar topic is verbal reasoning. So, there will be 50 questions divided into various parts. So, are you ready? Let's get started. For question part 1, choose the correct option. Statement is, all apples are fruits, some fruits are mango. Now, this one is the statement and these are two conclusions. Okay, some apples are mangoes, some fruits are apple. This was the statement and these two are the conclusion. Now, look at the option. In the option, it's saying that only conclusion 1 follows, only conclusion 2 follows, both 1 and 2 follows, neither 1 nor 2 follows. Okay? So, first you have to go through the statement. When you have read the statement carefully, come to the conclusion and find out which of these conclusions are correct, whether 1 is correct or 2 is correct. When you have sorted out, then you go to the option and see which option is correct. Understood? Okay. So this is the first question. I've already read you the question. I'll just read it once again for you. All apples are fruit, some fruits are mangoes. And the conclusions are some apples are mangoes, some fruits are apples. Now your options are only conclusion 1 follows, only conclusion 2 follows, both 1 and 2 follows, neither 1 nor 2 follows. So look at the question carefully, go through your option and choose which one is the correct option. It is option B. Only conclusion 2 follows. Conclusion 2 is this one. Some fruits are apple. Okay? Okay, next one. Your statement is all dogs are animals. Next statement is some animals are cats. Okay? And the conclusion are some dogs are cats. Some cats are animals. Now, you have read the statement, you have read the conclusion, and these are your options. Only conclusion 1 follows, only conclusion 2 follows, neither 1, both 1 and 2 follows, neither 1 nor 2 follows. These are your options. Which one is correct? It is option B. Only conclusion 2 follows. Okay? Which is some cats are animal. Okay, next one. Statements. All teachers are educated. Next statement, some educated people are scientists. These are the two statements and your conclusion are some scientists are teachers, some educated people are teachers. Your options are only conclusion 1 follows, only conclusion 2 follows, both 1 and 2 follows, neither 1 nor 2 follows. Okay? So kindly go through the statement once again. So look at the first statement. It's saying all teachers are educated. It means whoever's teacher is educated. And the next sentence says some educated people are scientists. So it could be some educated people are teachers also. Some educated people are scientists also. Okay. So and the conclusion is some scientists are teachers. There's a possibility that some scientists are teachers. Some educated people are teachers. Okay. So these are the two conclusion. Now which one holds correct? It is only conclusion 2 follows. Some educated people are teachers. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. All birds can fly. Some flying creatures are insects. Conclusion are some insects can fly. Some birds are insect. So your options are only conclusion 1 follows, only conclusion 2 follows, both 1 and 2 follows, neither 1 nor 2 follows. So go through your statement once again and go through your conclusion also and choose your correct option. It is option A. Only conclusion one follows. Which one? Which is some insect can fly. Okay. Next one. Statement. These are the two statements. Some doctors are surgeons. Next statement. All surgeons are specialists. Okay. These are the two statements and the conclusions are some doctors are specialists. All doctors are specialists. Now look at the two conclusion and choose the correct option. Your options are only conclusion 1 follows, only conclusion 2 follows, both 1 and 2 follows, neither 1 nor 2 follows. It is option A, only conclusion 1 follows, which is some doctors are specialists. Okay, next statement. All cars are vehicles, some vehicles are bikes. Okay, now your conclusion is some cars are bikes. Next conclusion is some bikes are vehicles. Now your options are only conclusion 1 follows, only conclusion 2 follows, both 1 and 2 follows, neither 1 nor 2 follows. So go through your statements once again and choose your option carefully. Okay. It is only conclusion 2 follows, which is some bikes are vehicles. Next one. This is the statement. Wait a second. Yes. Some men are soldiers. Some soldiers are officers. Conclusion. Some men are officers. Some officers are soldiers. Now your options. Only conclusion 1 follows. Only conclusion 2 follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Neither 1 nor 2 follows. Now go through your statement once again and go through your conclusion and you will be able to find the correct option. It is option B. Only conclusion 2 follows, which is some officers are soldiers. Okay? Okay. Next one. Statement. Some houses are building. All buildings are structures. Conclusion. Some houses are structures. Next conclusion. All structures are building. Your options. Only conclusion 1 follows. Only conclusion 2 follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Neither 1 nor 2 follows. Now go through your statement once again. Go through your conclusion and choose the correct option. It is only conclusion 1 follows. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Say all books are papers. Some papers are journals. Conclusion. Some books are journals. Some journals are papers. Now your options. Only conclusion 1 follows. Only conclusion 2 follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Neither 1 nor 2 follows. So go through your statement once again and choose your option. The statement is this: all books are papers, some papers are journal. Okay, now these are your conclusion. It is only conclusion 1 follows, option A. Next question. All farmers are workers, some workers are businessmen. Okay, now your option is some farmers are businessmen, some businessmen are workers. Your options are only conclusion 1 follows, only conclusion 2 follows, both 1 and 2 follows, neither 1 nor 2 follows. Now go through your statements once again and your conclusion as well to find the correct option. It is option A, only conclusion 1 follows. Okay, we have reached part 2. Part 2 is having 15 questions and the instruction to solve them is each question consists of 4 parts labeled P, Q, R, S. Arrange these parts in correct order to form a meaningful sentence. Okay, I'll tell you once again. See, here you can see different sentences. They are labeled P, Q, R, S. Now what you have to do, you have to rearrange it in the systematic order to make a meaningful sentence, and then from the option you have to choose which option stands correct for it. Okay, understood? Okay, let's start. P, to address pressing global issue, world leaders gathered at the summit, including climate change and economic instability, to discuss potential solution. Now these are the 4 sentences. Rearrange it and choose the option from correct option from here. It is option C. First, it is world leader gather at the summit. After Q, it is S. That is second sentence, to discuss potential solution, and then it is P, to address global issue, and then it is R, including climate change and economic stability. Okay, understood? Similarly, you have to do the next one as well. Okay, these are the 4 sentences. Despite facing numerous obstacles, the scientists remain committed to his groundbreaking research on renewable energy sources. These are the 4 sentences. Rearrange it properly. It is option B. Okay. First it is Q. The scientists remain committed. Then it is R, to his groundbreaking research. Then it is S, on renewable energy sources. And then it is P, despite facing numerous obstacles. So this is the order. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Was unexpectedly interrupted by a sudden power outrage, the live television broadcast causing chaos in the newsroom. These are the 4 sentences. Rearrange it in proper order. It is option B. Okay. First is R. The live television broadcast was unexpectedly interrupted by a sudden power outage causing chaos in the newsroom. Okay, next one. Okay, ancient manuscript that contain lost medical knowledge Historians discover a hidden chamber while examining the ruins of an old monastery filled with valuable artifacts. And now rearrange it. It is option C. First it is Q. Historians discover a hidden chamber while examining the ruins of an old monastery. Ancient manuscript that contain lost medical knowledge filled with valuable artifacts. Sorry, it should be first three this and the fourth one should be this. Okay, so your order is Q, R, S, P. Q, R, S, P. This is option A. I'll just read it for you, okay? First it is, historians discover a hidden chamber while examining the ruins of an old monastery filled with valuable artifacts and ancient manuscripts that contain lost medical knowledge. So it is option A. Okay, next, let's move on to the next question. Okay. Your sentence are that could predict earthquake. A group of researchers using artificial intelligence develop an advanced algorithm. These are the four sentences. Now rearrange it in a proper order. So your correct option is option C. Okay. First is Q, which is a group of researchers using artificial intelligence develop an advanced algorithm that could predict earthquakes. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, next set of sentences have drastically changed modern communication. Social media platforms by enabling instant connectivity across different parts of the world. Now rearrange it into proper order. Okay, so it is first is Q. Social media platform have drastically changed modern communication. It is P. By enabling instant communication. 3. Across different part of the world. Okay, so our combination is Q, P, R, S. Okay, so let's see. Q, P, R, S. Q, P, R, S is option C. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, these are your four sets of sentence. The legendary scientist made significant contribution to the field of theoretical physics during his lifetime. These are the four sentences. Rearrange it. It is first is P, the legendary scientist, then it's S, during his lifetime made a significant contribution is third to the field of theoretical physics. Fourth. So our combination is P S Q R. That option is actually not present over here, so there could be one more option for it. During his lifetime, the legendary scientist made significant contribution to the field of theoretical. It could be S. The option is not present, so actually it should be that option is not. I'll just change the option over here. Okay, our option was P S Q R. P S. It should be Q and it should be R. Okay, so this one is the correct option. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next question. An ambitious mission to explore Mars, the space agency announced using next generation robotic rovers designed to analyze the planet's surface. Now rearrange these sentences in a sequence. Okay, it is first an ambitious mission to explore Mars. The space agency announced. Wait a second. PQS announced designed to analyze the planet's surface using next generation. Okay, this is the combination. An ambitious mission to explore Mars, the space agency announced designed to analyze the planet's surface using next generation robotics cover. Okay, so it is PQSR. Which option is having PQSR? It is option B. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, that impacted millions of lives. A deadly hurricane causing widespread destruction swept through the coastal cities. Rearrange the sentence in a sequence. It is first a deadly hurricane, Q. This is first, and then it is P that impacted millions of lives, swept through the coastal cities. And this is causing widespread destruction. Now your combination is 1 2 sorry uh, QPSR. QPSR, is it an option C? Okay, next one. The economic policies of the government has a significant effect on small business and startups struggling to survive in a competitive market. These are the four sentences. Rearrange it in proper order. It is in systematic order only. It's one, the economic policy of the government has a significant effect on small business and startups struggling to survive a competitive market. So it is PQRS. Which option is having? It is option A, PQRS. Okay, next one. Increase, increase significantly in recent years the demand for electric vehicle as government promotes sustainable energy and stricter environment regulation. These are the four sentences. Rearrange them in proper sequence. It is first is Q. The demand for electric vehicles increased significantly in recent years as government promotes sustainable energy and strict environment regulation. Okay, so these are the combination. Let's choose it from the option. We have QPRS. QPRS is the first option. Option A. Okay, next one. Big, fourth sentence became a turning point in the world history, the signing of the peace treaty that ended decades of conflict and paved the way for sustainability. Okay, now rearrange these four sentences in a sequence. It is first is Q, the signing of the peace treaty become the turning point in the world history that ended a decade of conflict and paved the way of sustainability. Okay, so our combination is QPRS. QPRS, first option, option A. Next one, the first sentence has revolutionized medical treatment, the advance of biotechnology by enabling precise genetic modification to combat inherited disease. Now these are the four sentences, rearrange it in proper sequence. First is this, the advancement of biotechnology has revolutionized the medical treatment by enabling precise genetic modification to combat inherited disease. Okay, so this is our combination QPRS. QPRS option A. Next one. Next one. In the developing sustainable energy solutions, scientific innovation play a crucial role for a cleaner and greener future. These are the four sentences, rearrange it. Okay, first is scientific innovation plays a crucial role in the development of sustainable solution for a cleaner and greener future. Okay, this is the combination, and we have QRPS, which is option C. Next one. These are the sentence, a major change for the government, the rising unemployment rate, which requires urgent policy reforms to stabilize the job market. These are the four sentences, rearranged it in a proper sequence. Okay, it is first is Q, the rising unemployment rate, a major challenge for the government to stabilize the job market, which require urgent policy reforms. So our combination is Q, P, S, R, which is option A. Next one. Oh, with that we have reached part 3. Part 3 is having 10 questions and the instruction to solve them is arrange the following in a logical order. Okay. So these are the 4 words. You have to arrange them in logical order. College, job, school, interview, primary, education. Okay. You have to arrange them in order. Which will come first and which will come at the last. Okay. Okay. So let's get started. First will be um, first is primary education. Then you have 3 school. Okay. After school it will be college, and after college it will be interview. Okay, and then it will be a job. So we found the first sequence, and that is 5, 3, 1, 4, 2. This is option A. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, seed, fruit, plant, sapling, tree. Now rearrange them in proper order. What will come first? Seed. Then after seed what will come? Sapling. After sapling it will be plant. After plant it will be tree, and then fruit. So combination is 1, 4, 3. Wait a second. 1, 4, 3, 5, 2. So this is the combination 1, 4, 3, 5, 2, which is not given over here. Actually, it is option B, 1, 4, 3. It should be 5 over here, and it should be 2 over here. Okay, so this is the correct option. This one is the correct option. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Next question. Research, hypothesis, experiment, conclusion, observation. Now arrange it. Okay, so let's start. First will be research. Second will be your hypothesis. Third will be your experiment. Fourth, then it will be your observation, and then it will be your conclusion. So our combination is 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, which is option A. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay. Childhood, adulthood, infancy, old age, teenage. Okay, now rearrange it. Okay, first will be infancy, and then it will be childhood, then it will be teenager, then it will be adulthood, and then it will be old age. So our combination is 3, 1, 5, 2, 4, which is option A. Next. Marriage, love, introduction, engagement, friendship. Rearrange it. Okay, first will be your introduction, 1, then it will be a friendship, and then it will be love, and then it will be engagement, and then it will be marriage. So, sorry. So, our combination is 3, 5, 2, 4, 1, which is option A. Next one. Writing, idea, publishing, editing, drafting. So first will be your idea. Idea. And then it will be writing. Then it will be uh, drafting. Then editing. And then publishing. Let's see which combination is having 2, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, which is option B. Next one, exam, school, admission, degree, study. Rearrange it. What will be the correct sequence? First it will be admission, right? Or first it will be school. Study. Okay, first it will be school, then it will be admission, and then it will be study, and then it will be exam, and then it will be degree. Okay, so combination is, I'll just write the combination here. It is two, after two it is, wait a second, sorry, it's 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 1, 4. Okay, this is the correct option. Actually, the option is not given away, so I've written it separately. Next, writing a book, getting an idea, publishing, editing, drafting. Now arrange it. First, getting an idea, uh, writing a book, editing, it will be pair first this, and this. Okay, so this will be 1, 2, getting an idea, writing a book, drafting it, and then editing it, and then publishing it. Okay, next one. Graduation, primary school, job, high school, post graduation. These are the 4. Rearrange it. Primary school 1, high school 2, graduation is 3, post graduation is 4 and 5. So this is the order. Two, 4, 1, 5, 3. 2, 4, 1, 5, 3. 2, 4, 1, 5, 3 is option A. Okay. Buying a book, reading the book, going to the bookstore, searching for a book, paying for the book. Rearrange it. First we'll be going to the bookstore, then searching a book, then paying for the book, buying the book, and then reading the book. Okay, so our combination is 3, 4, 1, 5, 2, which is option A. Part 4, we have reached part 4. It is having 8 questions. Choose and the instruction to solve them is choose the correct synonym of the given word. Okay, So let's get started. You have to choose the synonym of the given word. Okay. Select the synonym of obfuscate. And your option are clarify, confuse, illuminate, simplify. These are the 4 options. Which one of them is correct? Is it option A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? It is B. Option B. Confuse. Okay, next one. Select the synonym of parsimonious. Options are generous, frugal, lavish, extravagant. Now, which one is correct? It is option B. Frugal. Okay, next one. Next one is select the synonym of perfidious. Options are loyal, treacherous, honest, trustworthy. These are the 4 options. Which one of them is correct? It is option B. Okay. Okay. Next one. Select the synonym of obstepers. The option are noisy, submissive, quiet, serene. Which one it is? It is option A, noisy. Next one is select the synonym of munificent. Greedy, stingy, generous, miserly. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option C, generous. Next question. Select the synonym of surreptitious. Now your option is open, secret, transparent, honest. Which one it is? It is option B, secret. Next one. Select the synonym of ubiquitous. It is scarce, rare, omnipresent, and absent. Which one is it? It is option B, rare. Next one is select the synonym of recalcitrant. It is submissive, disobedient, corporate, complain. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option B, disobedient. Okay? Okay. Now we have reached part 5. It is having 7 questions. It's written. Instruction to solve them is choose the correct antonyms of the given word. First word, select the antonym of archimonous. Options are bitter, friendly, harsh, spiteful. Which one is the correct option? It is option B, friendly. Next question. Select the antonym of ephemeral. Options are brief, fleeting, eternal, temporary. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Now your correct option is option C, eternal. Okay. Okay. Next question. Next, select the antonym of ostentatious. Showy, modest, flashy, extravagant. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option B, modest. Next question. Select the antonym of profligate. Options are wasteful, reckless, thrifty, extravagant. Which one is the correct option? It is option C, thrifty. Okay, and next question, select the antonym of quixotic. Options are realistic, idealistic, romantic, visionary. These are the 4 options. Which one of them is correct? It is option A, realistic. With that, we come to the end of this sample paper. Please like and subscribe to my channel in order to see more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning.